Hey there, it's Big Will with Go Explore Panama, your friendly neighborhood relocation expert, tour guide, and real estate scout. Today we're diving into a topic I get asked about all the time: buying property in Panama. Can expats buy in Panama? And if so, what's the process? Well, the answer is yes, and it's probably easier than you think. So whether you're dreaming of a beachfront condo, a peaceful mountain retreat, or a city condo in the heart of the vibrant Panama City, stick around. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to make your Panama property dreams a reality. Panama is one of the most appealing countries in the world for buying real estate, not just because of the warm weather and gorgeous views, but also because of its modern infrastructure, U.S. dollar economy, and investor-friendly policies. And the best part? Foreigners have almost the same property rights as locals. Let's break it all down. First off, why Panama? Well, how much time do you have? We've got two stunning coastlines, the Caribbean and the Pacific. We've got tropical jungles, cool highland towns, and a capital city that's been called the Miami of Central America. There's world-class healthcare, easy access to international travel through Tucumán Airport, and Panama's still off the radar for many investors, so property prices here are competitive. Oh, and did I mention that we use the US dollar? That's one less thing for you to worry about. Panama has something for everyone. Beach lovers, check out the Pacific Riviera. Places like Coronado, Gorgona, or Playa Carasol. Love the mountains? El Valle de Antan is the place. Cool breezes, coffee farms, and a vibrant expat scene. Or if you prefer the city life, Panama City has it all. Shopping, nightlife, international schools, and top hospitals. Want to be off the beaten path? Check out Petacy on the Azuero Peninsula. It's a hidden gem. Wherever you decide, the process of buying property is pretty straightforward as long as you have the right help. Here's how it works. Step 1. Find your spot. Explore. Do a relocation tour and get to know the neighborhoods. We can definitely help with that, as this is included in all of our relocation tours. Step 2. Work with a licensed real estate agent. Panama doesn't have a multiple listing service like the United States, so it's all about having local connections. You need quality agents with access to the best listings. We can help with that too. Step 3. Hire a real estate attorney. This is your MVP. They'll check the title, liens, and property boundaries and make sure everything is clean. Step 4. Negotiate and sign the sale agreement. A deposit is made at this stage. Deposits are usually 10% of the price for Panamanians. Foreigners, you should expect to put down 20% since you have no credit history here in Panama. Step 5. Secure the payment with an irrevocable letter of payment. It's like escrow, but Panamanian style. A bank holds your fund and holds the funds until the deal is closed. Step 6. Final contract and title transfer. Signed in front of a notary, then register with Panama's public registry. Boom! You're now a property owner in Panama. Congratulations. Now, there are some things to watch out for. Avoid buying within 10 kilometers of the borders with Costa Rica or Colombia. It's restricted for foreigners. Be cautious with island or beachfront land. Some of those are possession rights, not full ownership. Stick to fully titled property. Possession rights, you can't transfer those, you can't pass that property down to children, you just basically rent it long term. There is no title insurance in Panama, so again, get a solid lawyer. We can help with that too. And as for taxes, primary homes under $120,000 are tax-free. Otherwise, rates are between 0.6% to 1%. The seller usually pays a 2% transfer tax. Capital gains, that's a flat 10% here, but there are ways to reduce what you pay if you plan ahead. Again, have a good real estate attorney who can guide you through this. Let's talk about financing. If you're financing through a Panamanian bank, it's going to be tough for non-residents. Most folks pay cash or finance through the developer if buying pre-construction. But your property purchase can also help you get residence. Panama has great visa options, and all of them, save one, require a significant financial investment into Panama. That investment can be real estate or money in the bank. Some popular visa options include the Friendly Nations visa for the citizens of the US, Canada, EU, and more. This requires a $200,000 investment to be made in Panama. There's also the Qualified Investor Program, which requires an investment of $500,000 in real estate, but it does offer a fast-track residency process. There are many other options too. Our immigration attorney can assist you with locating the best option for you. So, should you buy property in Panama? If you're looking for better weather, better value, and a better lifestyle, I'd say absolutely yes. But don't go it alone. At Go Explore Panama, we help you navigate every step, from scouting neighborhoods and setting up tours to connecting you with licensed agents, trusted attorneys, and expats who've already made the move. Got questions? Just drop them in the comments or reach out directly. Email me at bigwill@go-explorepanama.com or hit me up on WhatsApp. And hey, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. And let's go explore Panama together. Ciao.